Hello, I'm Victoria.
Hello, I'm Gurpreet.
Do you want to know more about the eye and Marfan syndrome, about the newest techniques and latest surgical treatments, about when to remove dislocated lenses?
Do you want to know about surgery for scoliosis and new techniques on keeping the spine flexible?
Do you want to know how to support and what to say to a child with Marfan syndrome?
Do you want to know cutting-edge treatments such as desmosine?
Do you want to know the latest techniques in aortic surgery?
If you want to know all of these things and more,
Then come to our conference.
which is only 4 days away,
It's a rare day for a rare condition,
where you'll meet the best practitioners in their field
where you will meet Dr. Child and the team,
and ask anything you want of us.
and anything you want of the expert speakers. See you on Saturday.